as a dangerous wildfire rages across Malibu and thousands evacuate the area to find shelter from the blaze. Dick Van Dyke is one of the many celebrities fleeing to safety. The legendary actor swiftly evacuated his $8 million Malibu home on Tuesday alongside his wife of 12 years, Arlene Silver. However, the pair were sadly forced to leave behind a beloved family member in the chaos. Arlene and I have safely evacuated with our animals except for Bobo escaped as we were leaving, Dick wrote on Facebook. We're praying he'll be okay and that our community in Sarah Retreat will survive these terrible fires. Bobo, one of the family's beloved cats, appears to be still missing after the evacuation. The Mary Poppins star followed up his first post with a sweet video of the orange-striped cat playing in the garden, writing in the caption, "Hoping Bobo is okay." Fans jumped to the comment section to show support for Dick and send their thoughts and prayers for Bobo's safe return. Animals have incredible survival instincts. Bobo will find safety and then will find his way back to you, one fan wrote, while another commented, "Cats are so resourceful. They can survive what people can't." Sending good thoughts, your kitty is okay, and you're reunited soon. Another Hollywood star who fled with her pets to safety was Cher, whose publicist told the New York Times that she had evacuated to a hotel on Monday night. According to the publication, fellow singer Barbra Streisand's team is still ascertaining whether she has been evacuated to safety. The wildfire started around Pepperdine University and swiftly spread over 2,700 acres of land and counting, according to the Los Angeles County Fire Chief Anthony Morone, who held a press conference on Tuesday. Over 700 firefighters are working to contain the blaze, while all Malibu schools have been closed until further notice. The fire couldn't have come at a worse time for Dick, who will celebrate his 99th birthday on Friday. Just days ago, he stunned fans with a starring role in Coldplay's moving new music video for their song, All My Love, where he waxed poetic on aging and showcased some of his iconic dance moves. The video was filmed at his Malibu home, the same house he had just evacuated. "I'm acutely aware that I could go any day now," he told Chris Martin, Coldplay's frontman, in the video. "But I don't know why it doesn't concern me. I'm not afraid of it. I have the feeling that I'm going to be all right." Dick was asked the meaning of love in the video and shared the sweetest response. "Boy, they've been asking that question for centuries. I don't know," he said. "It's certainly the feeling of caring about the welfare and the life of the other person as much as you care for yourself." The video saw the 98-year-old barefoot and sprightly as he danced with his wife, Arlene, 53. He was then joined by his children and grandchildren, making the moment even sweeter as he looked back on his legacy as an acting icon, as well as his personal legacy within his family.